boys and girls, this is Miss Wallach, and this week is Police Officer Appreciation Week. And so today we're going to make a flag. It's going to look like this. We made a flag in class before, and it obviously was red, white, and blue. But the Police Appreciation, we're going to do a flag honoring them, which we're going to need a white piece of paper. We're going to need some black paint. We're going to need blue paint and white paint, because the police flag is black, white with a blue stripe. So if you are interested in making that, continue watching. Okay, so first I have a white piece of paper, and you're going to need, like I said, black paint, blue paint, and white paint. And you're going to need a Q-tip and 2 paintbrushes. And the first thing we're going to do is use one of your paintbrushes, and we're going to use black paint. And so how many stripes does a flag have? It has 13. So what we have to do is actually put 7 black stripes on here. So I'm going to go 1, and then I'm going to leave a little bit of a space and go 2 to make sure that I can get 7. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I want my bottom stripe to also be black. So I'm going to have 7. So I'm going to come around here, and I'm going to go straight across. It's, for me, I can wipe my table off, so it's okay if it gets on the table. We just want to make sure that it goes all the way across. So again, I'm taking 7 black stripes, because if we have 7 black stripes and we have 6 white, that's the parts I'm not painting, we have 13 stripes, and that is how many stripes the American flag has. So continue going straight across, and my lines aren't perfectly straight, so I'm going to say the flag is waving in the air, even though it's a piece of paper. And you do want to go all the way to the end. Again, you can put paper underneath your white paper, or for me, it's just going to get on the table, but before it dries. So when I'm done with this, I'll move it aside and I'll clean it up. So mine is going onto the table, but that's okay. This is washable paint, and so it won't be a problem. So I'm almost done. I have 5 of my stripes. My last one I want all the way at the bottom. So I'm going to, I think, paint that one first so that I can get all the way to the bottom. Just like on the regular American flag, that red stripe is all the way at the bottom. And actually all the way at the top too. Okay. And you have 2 choices. I'm making mine a little more solid, but if you want the white to show, kind of look like we're painting on wood, you can. But I do want mine pretty solid, so I'm going to keep going over it. Okay, so there's my black, the stripes. But in the American flag, we have a blue square. Well, in this one, we're not using blue, even though we're using blue paint. We're going to do it still black. So it goes to the 4th line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to go to this line. I'm just going to make a line. Oop, try not to move your paper. Like that. And then I'm going to paint that all in. So I'm going to hold my paper last time, and I'm just going to paint it all in. Fill it down all the way to the 4th line. So all this that normally on the American flag would be blue. On this flag, it is black as well. So far, we've only used the white paper and the black. Now, if you don't have white paper and you have black paper, then you would just paint 6 white stripes. But I only had white paper. So there is all the black. We're done with the black. So now we're going to go in and we are going to paint the blue. Now the blue is going to be the 4th white stripe. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This right here is going to be blue. Now my black is still wet because, as you can see, I just painted it. But I'm just going to fill this in like this. Now if a little bit black gets in, we're going to try not to, but we're going to put it in. Again, my paper is moving. You might want to put it on your painting paper, a little bit of tape on the back so that it doesn't move, because mine is moving. And the blue stripe represents police. The CHP wears tan, but most police officers' uniform is blue. And so to support police officers, that's why we put this blue stripe on it. Other support American flags have different colors, but ours for the police is blue. Like I said, because their uniforms usually are blue. Then the last thing you're going to do is you are going to take your Q-tip and we're going to put 50 white stars. Now, I'm not making stars. I'm going to make a dot, but we want 50 of them. So I'm going to put, I think, let's do 6 across the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now obviously that's not enough stars, but we're going to continue that pattern. So wherever, we're going to fill it in like this. So I'm going to just make a row. Okay, so there's 12, 6 plus 6. And another 6. Oh, that one got a little bit on the star here. That's all right. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So I have 30, still not enough. Now what you're going to do is between those. Now if you want your stars to be different, you just want 50 anywhere, you can do that. But I have 30, so 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Oop, I missed the one up here. 50. So now I have 50 stars. I still have 13 stripes, but the only difference is the color. Hopefully you can make one of these and display it in your window to show appreciation to police officers. Till next time.